Look at your new floor. It's nice. But it's about to be damaged when your appliances are delivered. I know this isn't a video you expect from us, but it's important. I made it short so you can watch it without wasting a ton of time. In this video, you'll learn an easy and inexpensive hack how to prevent this from happening, and a few installation tips that will save you a lot of future aggravation as well. If you're buying a refrigerator or a larger stove, often these appliances are dropped in front of the openings before installation. However, that range or stove is too heavy for most softer floors and will leave a noticeable and permanent indent in your floor. So before that happens, spend a few dollars on a simple sheet of melamine, cut it into thirds, place it under the heavier appliances. To give you an idea, we spent over $60,000 just on melamine so far this year, but we've also not needed to pay a single floor damage claim. So it's easy, cheap, and it works. And here's a tip your future self will thank you for. Finish your floors even under appliances. Oftentimes people don't, and replacing or repairing appliances become incredibly difficult and expensive. Now you have to lift your appliances up over the lip of the floor, sometimes with a granite countertop directly above. If you finish, it just slides out for repair or replacement. And lastly, never sign for any delivery without a thorough inspection of your property and premises. Once you sign, most delivery companies, the third party, will be released from all liability, so be careful. And if you want to prevent water damage from slow leaks in your appliances for about 25 cents, then check out this video. And also share this with anybody expecting appliance delivery. And thank you for watching.